Huawei Precision Air Conditioner Introduction. Huawei Air Conditioner Series Introduction. In this section, we will introduce Huawei's air conditioner series. First, let's look at their names. Netco refers to Huawei's Precision Air Conditioner series. Next is the series name. The number 5000 refers to an in-row precision air conditioner. 8000 here means that it is an in-room precision air conditioner. After this, we have the system type, and these include air-cooled, chilled water, free cooling, glycol cooling, and other types of system. Huawei provides air-cooled and chilled water air conditioners. The next factor is cooling capacity. The number 35 refers to 35 kilowatt cooling capacity. After that comes an indicator of the air supply mode. U here refers to upflow, D refers to downflow, and H refers to horizontal flow. The seventh factor is power supply mode, which depends on the mains in each country. Another factor is the type of cooling system. And we can see that the cooling mediums are the chemicals R410A and R407C and chilled water. Huawei use R410 as a cooling medium. We also have single systems and dual systems. For example, Netco 8000A 100 kilowatt is a dual system. Concerning fan type, we have AC, EC, and DC fans. Huawei air conditioners use EC fans because EC fans are better than AC fans, as they can smoothly adjust their revolving speed, which is energy efficient. Next up is the compressor type. 0 here means that there is no compressor. That refers to chilled water air conditioner. N indicates the presence of a constant frequency compressor. D stands for a DC inverter compressor. The next feature is filter grade, such as G3 or G4. G4 is more efficient than G3. Now we come to the humidifiers, which are optional. So 0 in a model name means that there is no humidifier. R indicates an infrared humidifier, and E refers to an electrode humidifier. Nowadays, we also have wet film humidifiers. The features labeled 13 to 17 are as follows: reheating, monitoring mode, sensors, packaging, and order special features. Next, let's look at the indoor unit. All of the precision air conditioner products are divided into two categories: in-row air conditioners and in-room air conditioners. For the in-row air conditioners, we have the Netco 5000C and Netco 5000A. We can see that the Netco 5000C has two cooling capacities, 25 kilowatt and 30 kilowatt. The Netco 5000A has four sub-products. The Netco 5000A 011H is used in the FM800 model. The Netco 5000A 025H is a DC inverter air conditioner with a width of 300 millimeters. The Netco 5000A 035H is full cabinet DC inverter air conditioner with a width of 600 millimeters. The Netcoal 5000 A042H is the latest product, with a width of 600 millimeters. For in-room air conditioners, we have the Netcoal 8000C and the Netcoal 8000A. The Netcoal 8000C has different cooling capacities. The main product is the Netcoal 8000 C59 to 253 kilowatt. The Netcoal 8000A has two different cooling capacities, 50 kilowatt and 100 kilowatt. The Netcoal 8000A 100D is a R410A dual system. That means that this air conditioner has two independent refrigerant systems. This outdoor unit is a condenser called Netcoal 500. We can see the logic behind the names here. 500 means that it is an outdoor unit type. A means air-cooled, and 072 refers to heat dissipation. Outdoor units are either single-fan or double-fan units. When choosing an outdoor unit, we should firstly match the indoor unit cooling capacity, and secondly consider the outdoor temperature. For example, in Middle Eastern countries, we tend to use 35 kilowatt air conditioners. Though Netcoal 500 A38 outdoor unit's heat dissipation is larger than 35 kilowatts, we would still choose the Netcoal 500 A72 as the outdoor temperature is extremely high and requires double fans. Here is the rest of our product series. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.